This video I'm going to show you how you can add a game to wishlist. By adding a game to wishlist in Steam, you're just indicating that you'll wish to go ahead and maybe play it or download it and maybe purchase it as well one day. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. To add a game to wishlist, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to find the game. You can just search for the game on Steam, and once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. For instance, I've just clicked on this and I wish to add this game on wishlist. To do so, just head over here and then click on add to wishlist just below the game. And once you click on this, now you can see it has been added to wishlist. And now you can see the wishlist here. I currently now have one. You can also proceed and add as many games as you wish, and all the games that you will add on the wishlist will be added. So I'll also add this. And once I add, you can see now my wishlist has grown to 2. So that's how you can add games to wishlist on Steam. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.